In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backtest a trading strategy on Tradingview. This tutorial is designed to be quick but thorough, giving you the essential steps you need to effectively backtest and refine your strategies. So, let's get started. First things first, open your browser and head over to Tradingview. Tradingview is a popular platform for traders looking to create charts and analyze different market instruments. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the chart where you plan to backtest your strategy. Make sure you've logged into your account for a seamless experience. Now look towards the top of the page for the Indicators button and click on it. This is where you can access a whole range of technical indicators to help inform your trading decisions. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the specific indicator you're interested in. Once you've found it, simply click on the indicator to add it to your chart. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your strategy, showing visual data that's vital for decision making. Next, over on the lower panel, find the Pine Editor tab and click on it. Pine Script is Tradingview's proprietary scripting language, and it's what you'll use to customize your strategy. In the Pine Editor, you're going to paste in a script. I've got a sample code for you. It uses a simple moving average crossover strategy. Here's the code. At version for strategy, simple moving average strategy, overlay, true, EMA 20 equals EMA close 20, EMA 50 equals EMA close 50, long EMA 20, EMA 50 short EMA 20, EMA 50 plot EMA 20, title 20, color size 00, FAA, line width 3, plot EMA 50, title 50, color and FFC1CC, line width 3, start equals timestamp 2021, 1-1-0-0, end timestamp 2021, 8-1-0-0, if time start and time end, strategy.entry long, strategy.long 1000.0, when equals long, strategy.entry short, strategy.short 1000.0, when short. This script sets up a moving average crossover strategy using EMAs of 20 and 50 periods. With this code added, click on Add to Chart to apply it. Moving on, click on the Strategy Tester tab at the bottom of your screen. This is where the backtesting magic happens. You'll notice a plethora of tabs within Strategy Tester, each offering a different aspect of performance analysis. Start by clicking on Performance Summary to gain insights into the overall effectiveness of your strategy. After that, you'll want to explore Overview. Here, you get a snapshot view that highlights significant performance metrics and gives you a quick understanding of how your strategy is performing. Additionally, delve into the Trades Analysis. This section will provide a deeper breakdown of individual trades, showing you wins and losses, which can be incredibly insightful for strategy refinement. Finally, check the Risk-Performance Ratios. This will help you understand the risk-adjusted returns of your strategy. It's always wise to balance potential profits with the risks involved. Now that you've seen how to backtest your strategy, it's time to review the Simple Moving Average Strategy Report. It sums up everything neatly and shows you where adjustments might be needed. And that's it. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering backtesting on Tradingview. Thanks for watching, and dive into your analysis with confidence.